Valley Union High School is working with police tonight after a former student brought a BB gun to the high school football game Saturday.
NBC5's Lauren Granata joins us live from CVU with the details. Lauren?
Allison, Jack, this all happened here at CVU High's football field. The word weapons should be added to this list of prohibited items after a spectator brought a gun to a game this weekend. And I spoke with a current student who naturally says he's freaking out over all of this. Right after kickoff during Champlain Valley Union High School's Saturday home football game, Hinesburg police say a former student brought a BB gun to the game and pointed it at people while walking around.
That shocked me. I was surprised because I was like, who would do that?
Senior Kyle Eaton says he's glad he wasn't there.
My friends at the game, they actually saw him with the BB gun and they were kind of not scared, but they were concerned what was going on.
Police say the former student was with a friend at the game when students saw the weapon and told a nearby administrator.
It just seemed like they were doing something they thought was cool or fun.
Eaton knows the former student who he says graduated from CVU High last year and was on the football team.
I wish I knew that he was planning on doing this because I would have told him not to do it.
CVU High principal Adam Bunting commending the students who spoke up.
We are all responsible for one another's safety. So those students could easily have not said something.
Encouraging the school and community to keep safety at the top of their priorities.
It really was not a good situation, but if you're going to have one of these situations, it ended and was conducted in kind of the best way possible.
Now, students are off today for Yom Kippur, but tomorrow faculty will meet first thing in the morning and then with students right after to talk about the situation. Right now, there are no charges against that former student. We're live here at CVU High School. Lauren Granata, NBC5 News.